Hey, welcome back, guys. Prepare your snacks, prepare your drinks, grab your tray, let's go sit, relax on the couch, select YouTube, and watch my latest build video. So today I'm making a project with some wood left over that I had in my shop. I made this tray so I can sit back, relax, and enjoy a movie without constantly bending over the table to eat or drink. My box will hold 2 drinks, 2 snacks, and you'll never lose the remote anymore with the remote storage compartment. So the first step is to cut my board to 2.5 inch wide, and these 2 pieces will make the 4th side of my box. Next, using my miter saw at 45 degrees angle, I'm cutting the 4 pieces that will make the 4th side of my tray. If you plan making this project, I have made a step-by-step instructable where I also included metric measurement. Just click the link in my description. The first 2 pieces that I cut are 8.5 inches long and the 2 others are 13 inches long. Okay, so now using my router, I cut a 1/4 inches rabbet in the inside of each pieces, so the MDF board that will make the bottom of my drink tray will sit flush and won't be visible. Then, I'm using some painting tape to glue everything together. It's quick, easy, and you don't need clamps. Now that the glue has dried, I move to the next part. The bottom of my drink and snack tray will be MDF and the top will be a pine plank. I'm using some pocket screw to assemble everything together, since it will be easier to paint the sides separately from the top. I drill 8 pocket holes using my Craig J Mini, so no screw will be visible. Now I'm screwing the top before I sand everything because I want the side to be flush with the top. The funny part is I forgot to record the sanding part. Oh well. It is flush right now and we can move to the next step. My tray will contain 2 drink and 2 snacks container and also a slot for the remote that will also serve as an handle. First, I need to cut the edge of one of my container so I can trace where to cut the hole. I started by tracing onto a cardboard so I can test if my container will fit. Then I lay down some painting tape, I repeat the tracing, then I'm ready to cut the openings. I start by drilling a hole slightly larger than the saw blade, so I can fit the blade and cut my openings. The painting tape will prevent any blowout. And yes, it fit perfectly. The openings are a little bit rough, but they won't be visible since the edge of my containers will hide that. Next, using a 3 inches hole saw, I make the holes for the drinks. I unscrew the top because I will drill the holes using my drill press, and I want to put a scrap piece of plywood under the good one to prevent any blowout. And as you can see, it makes a clean job. Okay, now I'm making the opening for what will be the handle, aka remote storage. Using a Forstner bit, I drill 2 holes where will be the both end of my remote control opening. Then I remove the wood between both holes using my jigsaw. And now a quick sanding and we can move to the next part. Using a 1/4 bit, I round all the edge of my openings and also the 4th side of my box. Like a knife that loses its sharp edge, a rounded corner is more friendly to people or object that comes in contact with it. I'm using a midnight blue color spray paint for the side and Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C charcoal finish for the top. The reason I go with Rubio is because I had some left over. It's super easy to apply, you only need 1 coat and it will repel water, so it's perfect for a tray because if you spill some of your drink, it will be protected. Once you have equally spread the oil, allow a reaction time of at least 3 minutes, but make sure to remove all excess within 10 minutes. And we got a perfect result. And for the spray paint, I apply 4 light coats. I'm waiting 20 minutes between each coat And we are done. Alright, now that both parts are dry, I can screw the top to my freshly painted box. And for the last step, I installed the MDF panel to the bottom of my tray. I still need to cut it to the right size, and once it's done, it's set perfectly flush on the bottom of my tray. I drilled some pilot hole, then I screwed the MDF panel to my box. And we're done. I'm really happy with the result. Now we put our snacks, we put our drinks, we got a handle to carry, and it also acts as a remote storage. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.